doing there? Hiding. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Guys, agising ko lang. Ayan. Nakaka-pray ko lang, ha?
Where's your face?
Guys, kinuha ni Jeff yung space ko. Honey, can you move away?
I did.
Honey, I'm gonna sleep beside with you, honey. Aray ko! Honey, come on. Come on. Move a little. Come on, honey. Can I sleep with you beside with you? Honey, can I sleep beside with you?
What?
Can I sleep beside with you?
Yeah, I'm born there.
On the floor. Paigaan niya ako dahil sa floor, guys. Ayaw niya akong tabi sa kanya palagi. Honey! Can I sleep beside with you? Move a little.
Okay.
Move a little. Kunti lang, guys. Honey, can I sleep beside you? Kakakpay ko lang, guys. Note kami na, Dr. Stanley. We've been 9 years. This is the first time you don't want to sleep with me anymore.
I didn't say that.
Oh, really? Honey, why? Go, you changing the topic, Jeffrey.
No.
I'm gonna sit beside with you. Dito na ako sa baba. I'm in the floor already.
There's no...
Can you move a little? How about here? Move. Yun lang. I cannot fit. I'm gonna fall down. Come on na.
No.
Ayaw niyo pa rin ako paigain sa tabi.
Be my banana.
Ayan, guys. Ayaw niya ako paigain sa tabi. Hindi talaga. Ani! Ayaw niya na, guys. Ayan, guys. Nagsasuffer ako sa kanya. Hindi niya ako mag-kiss. O, kiss na, honey. Ayaw niya talaga. Kiss ka. Dali na, kiss. 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 Ayaw siya ako kiss. Honey, how long you didn't kiss me anymore? Ha? Didn't kiss me anymore. Makikiss na. Kahit smack, ayaw niyo dahil. Awawa ako. Dali na, kiss. Lumalayo talaga siya. Why you don't wanna kiss me, Anne?
Breakfast ready?
Not yet. Still. Yeah.
I have a banana.
Okay. Ayaw, guys. Parang nagdidiri sa akin. Ano, why you don't wanna kiss me? Ha? Nakagising lang namin. Mga oras ko. Mga 10. Honey! Ang ganda ko naman. Bakit ay... I'm beautiful, honey. Why you don't wanna kiss me?
Yeah, you're sweet.
Really? Kiss? Ayaw, Diyos ko, Lord. Ewan ko ba? Sige, bye na, bye.